Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to make iMovie videos. Okay, first step, open up iMovie on your phone, click on the big plus sign and create movie. Next, you find the video you want to use and select it and click create at the bottom. That video is then added right into iMovie. Go ahead and change your title to whatever you'd like. The star of my video is my dog Hank. He's a good boy. Now let's check out some of the tools found at the bottom of the screen. Okay, one thing you need to know is that whenever you tap on the clip and select it, it'll have the highlighted yellow around it. Once it is highlighted and selected, then you can modify with these tools. Okay, on the left is the scissor icon that is used to trim, split, delete, and modify all of your clips. To trim the ends of the clip, just go to the end and drag towards the middle. To split a clip, make sure the line is where you want it and then select split at the bottom. The split function works well when you want to make smaller clips and modify each clip. I use the split function for small clips when I'm adding text or doing a slow motion or fast forward. Okay, next is the volume control. You have from mute all the way up to way too loud. Unfortunately, nowhere in iMovie can you control how nasally your voice sounds on voiceover. T is for text. Anywhere you want to put text in a clip, use the text function. One thing with the text function, you will be typing right on the clip, so you'll have to play around with that to see which format you prefer. The last one is color, and I have not messed with that one yet. Just realized I forgot fast forward slow motion, and that is the timer icon. All right, that plus sign on the left, that is what you use to add music, video, pictures, or like a voiceover like I'm doing right now. All right, I was hoping my kinder, first, and second grade students would want to run after my dog and get some exercise. So, looking to add a 1-minute timer. Okay, so I hit the plus sign, then I hit video, and then it takes me to my iMovie media. Then I select my 1-minute timer. I tap on my 1-minute timer and 3 little dots pop up. Choose picture in picture. Then your timer is inside your clip. Highlight your timer and you can drag it anywhere you'd like. You can also make it larger or smaller. I think I moved mine up to the top right for my video. I split a clip at the beginning so that I can make a title and do slow motion. I wanted slow motion at the beginning because slow motion is cool. Next, I need to line up my timer. Here's a tip. If you ever need to move anything like a timer or a clip or anything, you just hold down on it and drag it over to where you want to put it. And last, I'd like to say something at the end of my video. Next, I'd like to add music, so I click that plus sign. I have a lot of non-copyrighted music that I've downloaded off of YouTube. You just select the song and then hit those three dots. Mine are videos, and I'm just choosing audio only. The only reason I had to choose audio only was because I had mine saved as video files. Yours may just be audio files. The last step is uploading to YouTube. Click that box with the arrow. Select YouTube. Now you'll need to be signed in to YouTube for this to work. Okay, choose if you want it private, unlisted, or public. I stick with that HD recommended option, and then we share. Hopefully you found this video useful. Now it's time to run with Hank.